expertise, supply chain, and allied domain knowledge sharing. In this session, let us discuss a term called strategic benchmarking. Benchmarking is a process of comparing what your company is doing with what the best performing company in your industry is doing. Process benchmarking, it's one of the three types of benchmarking, compares operational processes. Coming next is a performance benchmarking, compares the product line, marketing and sales to determine how to increase the revenues. These are more short term in their scope and produce quick results. Strategic benchmarking takes a long term view of company direction relative to future strategies of competing companies. The method benchmarking involves 5 steps. The first is to identify object of your benchmarking project. Large general subjects are less appropriate for a benchmarking study than a single procedure or concept. Next, identify a company that excels in a particular procedure or concept you are studying. Then study that company. The fourth step is analysis of the information you received by looking at other companies' procedure. In the final step, you apply what you learned to your own company. The research for strategic benchmarking looks at what other companies are doing in terms of top management capabilities, strategic initiative, competitive product development, and other long-term quality and processes that have been proved successful. Determining what a company is doing strategically is sometimes easier than trying to learn how they manage individual procedures. Top management capability are often evident in the operation of the company. Leaders that are savvy in terms of technology tend to implement technology-rich processes. Strategic direction can be found in annual reports if the company is public. Selecting a company to study that is not a direct competitor makes it easier to approach management and ask for advice and information on how the company built its success. Coming to the analysis processes like re-engineering a product to find out how it is made and comparing what you find a similar product made by your company. You will find certain advantages and certain flaws on either side of the comparison, and some of the good quality of competing product may prove unworkable in your manufacturing processes. An understanding of how a competing product works will definitely have an effect on your company design and manufacturer future product. The same is true for business strategy. Thanks for watching. Bye.